Next step is to create our first virtual machines in this cloud platform. But before that, I would like to show you these billing sections. So here you can see your billing information. As you can see that it says I have 313 euros free, like it's free, and then I have 91 days remaining. So it means that I have 3 months to spend this amount of money. So after 3 months, Google asks you to upgrade your account. If you don't upgrade your account, then you will not be charged, but all your resources will be kept there. So if you want to upgrade your account later on, then you can access your resources as well. Now we can create our first virtual machine. So we are going to use compute engine and VM instances. And you can also enable this compute engine API. After you enable your compute engine API, you will face this window. So here you can create your instance. There's also a create instance button, just click on that. Now we have to give the name for our instance. So for the first time, let's just use CentOS. Let's use CentOS 1 maybe. You can also add labels, but we don't need it right now. And you can choose your region. I think it's really best if you choose the region that's near to your country. For example, I will choose, let's say Finland. And that's it. So here you can see that there's a series. It really doesn't matter, but it's good to use this E3 instance. And then machine type, you can choose medium, small, micro, and you can also choose the bigger ones. But for now, I think actually the small is enough. But let's just choose A2, medium. So it will provide from 1 to 2 CPU, 1 shared core, of course, and 4 gigabytes of memory. And display device, we don't need to use display device. So I'm just not going to enable display device. Okay, here a boot disk. So as you see that our name, the instance name is CentOS1. Type new balance persistent disk, that's okay. Size 10 gigabytes. So it means your hard disk, it's 10 gigabytes. And license type free. And then image is Debian GNU Linux. So I don't want to use Debian. I will be using CentOS machine. So let's change it. From Debian we can choose CentOS. And as a version we are going to use the latest one, which is CentOS Stream 9. So it's okay. Balance persistent disk, that's okay. And as a size, your hard disk size, you can choose whatever you want. So 20 gig is really enough for our purpose. So let's just select it. And we have also other options here. Like you can choose allow default access, like it has some default options, or maybe you can choose allow full access to all cloud APIs, but basically the first one is okay for our purpose. And as a firewall rule, we don't need to choose any of that. So, but there will be some cases that we can choose one of these options, or we can create our own firewall rule. So basically firewall is a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on these security rules. But we don't need to choose any of these options right now. Now we can just create our virtual machine, but before that I would like to show you something. As you see that it is right now it is 29 USD, which means that this is the monthly estimate. So basically if your virtual machine runs in a month, then it will cost you 29 USD, but it will be charged from your free credits. But here if we choose the small one, E2 small instance, then you will see that it's just around 15 USD. So it depends how you want to use your virtual machine, and based on that you can choose small, medium or large. But let's now choose medium. So it really doesn't matter in our case, but let's just choose medium and then create our virtual machine. And here also you can see that it creates your VM instance. So for me it was just less than 20 seconds. In 20 seconds we just created our own virtual machines in this Google Cloud platform.